What's up, fam squad? We back at it again. Um, Today, as you can see, a little change in scenery. I'm trying to do the JBBNT lifestyle, JBBNT for all the Chinese speakers out there. This was inspired by How to Make the MBA, Oliver Shu. Check him out, definitely. He's a huge inspiration to me. His whole thing is like every single day you get a little better. So right now, every single day, I'm doing a lead code question just to get a little better. What I did today, this morning, I went to school, did lessons for my girlfriend at HKUST, a networking course, and then I did my homework for the data structures and algorithms course that I'm taking right now. Did the homework, and then went to my mom's birthday dinner. So happy birthday to the mother. I love you, mom. Um, yeah, so it's 11:30 p.m. now. So here we are. Let's get into it. I want to do lengthless questions because that's what I'm working on right now. Yeah, and the other day I did a couple more questions. Wait, okay, I need to change my account because I I have another account um that has less questions that I've already done. Yeah, this one. Um, Here we are. Linked lists. I've done some questions on here, I believe. Uh, Difficulty is easy. Okay. This one I've done. I can just do it again quickly. Um, this one is, if I remember correctly, it's list node star low and fast ahead, and then um, while while slow. Yeah, while fast. Um, Next and fast. Next, next, and if if they slow equals to fast, then you turn true. And if it is not, then you will slow equals to slow next, and then fast equals to fast next. And if this returns, then false. If I remember correctly, I could be wrong. Damn it. Hmm. Well, fast next and fast next. Was this not it? Um, And is it while fast next? Would it be this? Okay, this is stupid. Okay, yeah, this doesn't work. If fast and slow, wait, I'm so stupid. The fuck? I know it's slow and fast. Um, but how do I implement it? Oh, fast is head. Slow is also head. If the next one is if the next one this one you return false. I fuck, I forgot. What's going on, man? Yeah, it doesn't make any sense. Okay, while the first one and the next one is valid. While the first one and the next one is valid, if slow equals to fast, which doesn't make any sense because it like they will just be equals to this. So maybe head is the next one. Would that work? I think something like this. What is that? So head is just literally equals to what? Okay, was it, man? Well, fast and fast next. Yeah. Uh-huh. Oh, I incremented first. Fuck, I'm stupid, man. Okay, fine. Okay. And then it works. Okay, fine. Okay. Yep. I'm stupid. Okay, that one's done. Intersection. Okay, can I do this? Have I done this before? Uh, I feel like yeah, I've looked at that one. I still don't know how to do it. Okay, but this one I've actually never done. Okay, reverse a linked list. How to do this? Okay. Okay, the timer starts now at 11:45. 30 minutes or 1 hour. 30 minutes to 1 hour. Okay. Given the head of a singly linked list, reverse the list and return the reversed list. Okay, I need some sort of dummy variable, I feel. Is there a hint? Number of nodes, iteratively or recursively. Okay, I feel it with some sort of um but this is a singly linked list. Right. If it's a doubly linked list, then I just get this and then I'll point the previous to the next one, previous and next one, previous and next one, previous and next one, then I'll get the doubly. But this one, I'm guessing I have to point it to the last. Um, right. So I this one points to this one. Okay, there has to be some sort of temporary node that traverses the list, right? Um, there has to be some sort of dummy as well, because I think there needs to be one. And then temp will be equals to, because I'm creating a new list, right? That, then temporary will be equals to head, and that actually traverses the list. Okay, sure. I think. And then wow. Uh wow, temporary is wow temporary, right? And then dummy's next is head, and I have a temporary also pointing at head. So right now there's one thing that is pointing to um there's one thing that is pointing to sorry, I need to draw this out. So there's one thing dummy that is pointing to head. 1, 2, 3. 5. And then this is dummy, pointing to head. And then, what am I doing? And then there's a temporary, also a head. Pointing towards this object. Okay. So 4, 5. How do I do this? How do I do this? One to two, two to three, three to four, four to five. Then I'll get 5. 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to null. That is so stupid. But I guess I could implement that. Um, while temporary, then mm, this points to what? This points to dummy. Dummy. If dummy, I'll be the last one. And then I will point, and I need to pull a new list. I need to build a new list, right? So free dummy. traverse the whole list, then 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4.話當然啦，next 係1個、2個、3個、4個、5個。Or should I go without dummy? So I will be equals to actually 5, right? Yep. And then this will be the length of the list. And then the first term of the result will be this has to be next. So dummy doesn't actually go to shit, right? Right. So this would be 5. And then wow. When should this stop? It should stop when length was smaller than 0, right? And then I'll reset dummy. Where is dummy? You got all my love. I don't know if this is right. Da-da-da-da-da-da. You've got all my love. Oh, I don't know. 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 Is it an easier one? Jesus. Okay, I'll go this one. I, oh, 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 oh. How do I get the size of the linked list though? Next, next, next. I had to traverse it once to understand the length of the list. Length of linked list. How do I do this? Make a count. Okay, let's just use a stupid way of making a count, right? All right. Like honorable. Oh yeah. What's in 가lim에도 보여줘. 뭐 5 divided by 2, right? While head, 1 while head. 5 divided by 2 will be equals to 2, so it's 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 6, 0, 1, 2, 3, right? And hello. Hello. Okay, somehow the internet cut off just now. So we're back. Uh, node index. This will be the index of the node that we need. And then I just have to return this node, right? Um, so how do I return this node? 4, uh, 0 is less than 2. So it's gonna go, and does it again. Okay, should work. I feel like all the solutions that I do are so shit. Oh, apparently it's not. Okay, let's see. Okay, I mean, today's quota is complete, but I did give up on that one. Um, I'm going to come back to that one tomorrow. But let's look at this one first. Let's look at this one, I guess. Oh, slow fast again. Slow fast. Slow fast. Slow fast. Wow, that's so smart. Holy shit. Okay, let's see if it's gonna be quicker. Wow. Fast. You do is. Okay, then. Slow. Oops. So fast. Fast is this. Fast. And the next one is okay, right? It's gonna go here. The next one is okay. It's gonna go here. And the next one is not okay. So it's gonna stop. Fast. The next one is okay. So it's gonna go here. Next one it's okay. It's gonna go here. Next one it's okay. It's gonna go here. So smart. So smart. So smart. Okay. Okay, cool. Um, is there another one that I can do that I can test? Is this easy? Ugh. 1, 2, 4. So that's 5.
But again, I don't really know how long the length is. Um, yeah, okay, whatever. Okay, tomorrow I'm going to work on this one. Okay, so this one linked list cycle uses two pointers. Middle uses two pointers. Um, remove linked list elements. This one I did by myself, right? Um, wait, where's the code? Did do it. Yeah, let me try and do it again. Okay. Um, I actually uh, wrote this a while back. Dummy points to head. No. Points to this is its own node. And then dummy next points to head. Sure. And then while head next is valid, if next is the end, uh, then also check it, right? Yep. And then if the next value is equals to value, then what I would do is well, dummy. Well, dummy's next because I need to check head as well, right? Because the first one could also be equals to integer, then I will need to remove that. So if dummy next value equals to the value that I want to delete, what I would do is dummy next, I will skip the next, right? And then I will check again. And if it's not, I will move dummy, right, to the next one. And then I'll return. Had to, had to be removed. So I need another one of these that equals to dummy. And I'll return res like this, right? So let's say it's here. While dummies 0 next is valid, 0, 1. So 1 is not equals to the value. Dummy will move to 1. It will check the next one. If this is equals, it's not, so it moves to the next one. It will check if it's not. Oh, boo boo. You've got to delete this. Then dummies next will becomes dummies next. So dummies next one becomes 3, and dummy doesn't move, right? It checks for the next one. 3, it's fine, so it moves down. Okay, yeah, I did this yesterday. Um, I don't know if this is correct. Like there possibly is a easier solution for it. I don't want to use recursion because fucks the memory, obviously. Temporary, so that's dummy. And next one is head, right? So this is the temporary is dummy. And then there is another one that is pointing to dummy. There's returning the one that is pointing to is returning dummy next. Does that work? I'm creating a new one, and a new one points to head. And there's something pointing to the new one. You got all my love. Yeah, so temp next is head, right? So that's the dummy node, and the current node is pointing to the dummy node, and the current is checking, and it's returning what is after the first dummy. Yep. And then what am I doing here? Dummy, and then dummy next is head, right? So I'm creating a dummy node here, and then result is dummy. Um, Result is equals to dummy. So result is pointing here. And then I'm literally iterating this list. Um, so I'm guessing if I do like res also work. Here, I return dummy next. It should also. If it does work, I'm done for the day. Right, it does work. Which one is quicker? It's 20.20. Dude, my previous one is even better. So I should just use mine to follow. Damn. So actually iterate the list instead of iterating the res pointer. Yeah, sure. Okay, done for today. I will
do this one, reverse linked list tomorrow. I'm not going to look up the solution, but I am going to look up how to reverse a linked list. Um, well, yeah. See you tomorrow. JBBNT. Goodbye.